Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to check out Gala's price chart. And if you remember, in the previous update, we were, I believe, right around this high. And the idea was that according to our primary case, most likely we are having in this phase up an ABC zigzag. And since in here, we identified a beautiful 5-wave down, we said odds are soon we are going to have yet another move down in form of a 5-wave in order to complete the subwaves for an ABC zigzag. So what happened? We did get a move down in here. However, sure, it does look like a 5-wave, but I don't really believe this is actually an impulse. Let's just delete this one, and maybe it's best to go on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so here's a question. How exactly are you able to show me a complete 5-wave in here? From my point of view, sure, maybe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but what about this initial move on the downside? Because I do think this is yet another 5-wave, and that makes me say, you know what, maybe this is an A, B, C in form of a zigzag structure. And also in here, I believe this is 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into wave 3, correction for 4, another move into wave 5, which on a higher degree is into a wave 1, correction for 2, good move up into wave 3, probably to about this point and not here, correction for 4, another move into wave 5, and well, I'm gonna say now a correction started in Gala from this point, and it's going to be in form of an A, B, C, expanded flat to about this height. Now, do not get me wrong. Overall, I still believe we are having an ABC zigzag, which the subwaves for it are going to be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into A, correction for wave B, maybe ABC, maybe WXY, maybe even a triangle, not important, and then another 5-wave down into C. But now I'm going to say, starting from here, sure, this is an A, and this ABC flat is going to be into wave B2 about this point, and right now we are on our way to complete the subwaves for a beautiful C leg. And based on that, I think this move up might soon come to an end, but I do not believe we are there yet. Why is that? Here is what I have in my mind. By the way, I want to be very clear. In my own time, I don't usually go on such lower time frames. This is just for the sake of educational purposes, okay? It's very important to understand that. I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave down to about this point, and maybe we are having, I believe, yes, another 1, 2. This 5-wave down is going to be into wave 3. This is correction for 4, another move down into wave 5, and maybe this is going to be into wave 3 and 4 and 5, and yet another wave 3 and 4 and 5, but on a higher degree. Excuse me. There we go. So based on this count, it seems like that our move down is not over. However, I'm gonna say these last legs on the downside are actually going to be quite a slow and choppy, and we are probably and hopefully not going to get a strong moves like we did back in this phase from this point to about here. Basically, I'm thinking we are going to do something like this: move down, pull back, move down, pull back, move down, and then that will be it. I'm hoping that from these areas, before we manage to successfully once more go back under this region, which the lower band of it is about 1.9 cents, we get a very strong bounce back in order to take this important high about 2.3 cents. So overall in Gala, I think this move down soon is going to come to an end, but I do not believe that we are completely there yet. And what happens next is very, very important. If we see a very strong bounce, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up without a lot of overlapping of the waves, that is going to be a great sign. And at that point, we can count on some more upward price action. And what you do not want to see is a very slow and choppy move on the upside, because if I see this and I identify the right structures, you are going to see me being just a bit bearish in like very short time in Gala and calling for some more moves down. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Gala's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.